Hey guys, it's me back with another video. So today we're gonna be playing some Infection. I don't really got nothing else to do. I mean, if I get to 10 likes and 5 more subscribers, then I'll do the whole Never Ends.
No,
Cause
he's
I have
gonna
that
goon
game.
on me.
So please like and subscribe.
I'm recording, bro. I'm recording. What are you doing?
Nice.
Guys, a freaking YouTuber just joined.
Shut the
Who is
hell
a
up.
YouTuber?
Me too.
Is that a grape? Nah, it's not great. Yeah, but
That kid's buns.
I hereby declare YouTuber versus YouTuber.
Let's do a friendship bracelet.
So you guys are buns, bro. What are you talking about? Friendship?
There's friendship bracelets. Sorry.
Attack me.
Yay! Yippee-ki-yay!
Wait.
When did I miss? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, heck no.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No.
Oh, you're
Bracelet. Yo, heck no. Whoa, I'm
Can someone do a friendship?
Yo, why would you do that?
Of course.
You're asking
Really stuck on the brain.
what the hell?
Oh, you stole because I can't.
No!
I hate you. I wish you die.
Yo, shut the hell up.
Shut your ass. Fucking nigga.
Bro, you suck.
What did you
No, I don't.
say?
You suck.
What did you
Yo,
say?
get a load of this
Nah,
guy.
bro, you think you're a YouTuber? You're not a YouTuber.
Bruh, I am recording right now.
We're just making a YouTuber channel.
Recording!
You're not a YouTuber.
I'm recording.
Your mom! I'm recording.
Okay, so I didn't ask.
I'm recording.
No, I didn't get asked. I think you should have no subscribers because you are fucking meanie.
Yo, these pro players are too good, bro.
Oh, you're in default. Just don't go to minigames, okay?
Alright, I'm out.
Minigames is a lot harder than default. Trust me. Personal experience.
Wait, this is not default.
Forcing a pro player. I fell. This is not default.
Strain. No. I'd be cooked right now. Okay. I was seeing my VR friend get on. He has 300 subscribers. I think you should subscribe to his channel too. His name is DYLS VR 87. He has a Discord too. But if you ever see him live streaming, you should join it. It's really fun. I'm just a minor YouTuber. Not even popular yet. Someone unsubscribed, so that made me really unhappy. I used to have 9 subscribers. Now I have 8 because someone unsubscribed. For some reason. Oh, why? Is it because I'm not good? I don't know. Probably because I don't have any good dinosaurs. No, I'm not sure. My throat's kind of weird because I woke up. Wanted to wake up, do a video for you guys. You guys don't get bored. All that. So, ow, 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 oh, ow. Alright, well, like and subscribe, please, to help to. Also, I'm on Discord, so if you want to join the Discord, just type in Yippee-ki-yay, or just like, okay, something like that. But that'll be all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Wait, hold on, let me think. Oh, this is third person. That's okay. First, alright, well, see you guys in the next video.